Hi, my chocolate-loving friend, and welcome to Jiva Yoga Life. I'm Salome. Do you also want to enjoy chocolatey brownies without any regret and without all these sugars and the bad stuff in it? Then I take you on this journey and we're gonna make these delicious vegan healthy brownies made with dates, no sugar. So join me on that little journey into the chocolate paradise. Starting with the ingredients for our healthy vegan date brownies without any sugar added. We're using, first of all, the date paste. I have a recipe about it. It's just with 2 ingredients, coconut milk and dates. Check it out. And second ingredient is peanut butter. If you want, also can follow my recipe, or maybe you have some peanut butter already available. The third ingredient is my chocolate fudgy ganache. I also recommend check out the recipe. It's really tasty. It's made with pure chocolate and with dates. So no sugar. We use some coconut flour, or you can use some shredded coconut. It's also optional. Then we use for sure some dates, some walnuts and almonds. So let's get started with our amazing brownie recipe. First we're gonna grind up the almonds. Like this, that's perfect. Next step, we're pitting the dates, just taking all the seeds out, and then we're gonna add it to the food processor. So just chop it up. My dates are really soft. But if you do have a food processor, I highly recommend to use the food processor. So as we're having all the ingredients ready, we're gonna add one by one in a bowl. The dates, we're gonna add the walnuts, the almond flour, the coconut flour or shredded coconut, whatever you have available, and last but not least, chocolate ganache. Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients nicely together. Voila! It's a very moist, nice texture. And we're gonna add it into a mold. And we're gonna use some baking paper. We're gonna spread our brownie evenly into the mold. Well, now we spread our layer of brownie. Next step is we're gonna make a layer of peanut butter on the top. The last step is we're adding our date paste as the top layer of the brownies. I'm adding some walnuts on top. You can also add coconut flakes or whatever is your favorite topping. Then before we can enjoy our brownies, we want to chill it in the freezer. Now carefully pre-cut. Alright, now you know how to make those delicious healthy brownies. That's our result from the recipe. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you next time very soon on Jiva Yoga Life. Thank you for watching. Have a great day! If you enjoyed today's video, make sure hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And of course, click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Hope to see you next time. Namaste.